All right, your exit ticket for today. A piece of land is 4 miles long. It is 3 1/5 miles wide. What is the area of the piece of land? So by now we should know that area equals length times width. I'm going to take my 4 and I'm going to break apart the 3 and the 1/5 and make an area model. I'm going to multiply 4 times 3 and then also 4 times 1/5. Remember, whenever we have a whole number, we always have a 1 underneath to make it a fraction. So 4 over 1 is the same as 4, but we need a fraction in order to multiply going straight across. So I found that 4 times 3 equals 12, and then 4 times 1 is 4, 1 times 5 is 5. So I have the numbers 12 and the numbers 4/5. So now what I do is I add those together. I have 12 wholes and I have 4/5. When I put that together, my answer is 12 and 4/5. If I were writing out words, then I would have squared the answer. So it would be 12 and 4/5 square miles. So when you wrote it in the exit ticket, though, we were just looking for those numbers. All right, good job.